In this video, I'm gonna show you 5 work from home side hustles where you can immediately start making money with little to zero experience. And the first side hustle is claiming free money. Wait, what? I know this sounds like a scam, but every year there is over 58 billion unclaimed dollars in the US alone. All you have to do is go to missingmoney.com, search your name and your location. So, did you find any money? Alright, this isn't exactly a side hustle, so the next side hustle is something that anyone who watches this video can do because you don't need much skill. And you can make 30 cents to $1 per minute. That's roughly $400 if you work for 8 hours a day. And you just need to know English. Then all you have to do is transcribe an audio file into text. You can also choose to caption or translate to a different language, which pays you even more money. Just go to rev.com/freelancers, fill out the form, and choose your position. But let me also tell you this, the longer you stay on the platform, the more access to jobs Rev gives you. So you probably won't be making $400 a day immediately when you start working here, but over time it is pretty doable and you can start making thousands of dollars per month just by listening to an audio file and then typing out what it says. Now, this next side hustle is pretty easy in my opinion. So basically, people will pay you to rent out your backyard, driveway, spare closet, or even your basement to start anything from boxes to cars. You can simply go to neighbor.com, create an account by clicking become a host, and then just list your space. And as you can see, you can make anywhere from $50 to $300 per month depending on what you rent out. Number 4 on our list is TikTok theme pages. TikTok theme pages are the new Instagram theme pages. People that are doing these TikTok theme pages are getting paid to do branded content on their TikTok theme pages. On these side hustles, basically all you need to do is give a shout out to one of the brands that approach you and want to pay you to post something on your theme page. You can either do shout outs or reviews of their products. And depending on how big your theme page is, you can make a lot of money. And as you can imagine, this side hustle is not that hard to do. All you have to do is just grow your TikTok theme page to a certain amount of followers and brands will start to approach you. And you can get paid anywhere from $100 per post up to thousands of dollars depending on how many followers you have. Now, this is the last work from home side hustle and I believe this is the best. This 28-year-old went from making $36,000 to $378,000 per year in her pajamas working from home thanks to this side hustle. The good part is that you can create your own schedule and choose the clients that you want to work with, whether it's for companies, publishers, YouTubers, or building your own clientele by using websites like Fiverr.com or Upwork.com. This is freelance writing, and while on average people are making about $50,000 to $80,000 per year, after grinding for 10 and 12-hour days, she was upgraded to Fiverr Pro and went from charging $15 per writing to charging $1,000 for 10,000 word ebooks. Her advice is give every client an all-star experience. It's also essential to market yourself widely and give the best work you can. Of course, it's gonna take time. Everything takes time. Never forget that every good thing takes time. Don't expect to be a millionaire in a week. It's just unrealistic. Start taking action and you'll see money coming in. Now, if you're saying that you want even more ways to make money, if you say you want more options, I suggest to watch this video here. In that video, I show you 7 different ways that you can potentially make $10,000 per month in 2023. So, see you over there. Bye-bye.